Somebody, Priyanshi.
Yes, sir, we have to start the new book, the second book, Footprints Without Feet.
Anything left in that previous book, or means the one that we have recently completed?
Sir, I had a doubt.
Okay. What is that?
So, there was a dialogue by Lomo that the dogs are running after fox when Squeezer goes and starts worrying a sheep. So, what does worrying a sheep mean?
Can you repeat the dialogue?
The dogs are running after a fox when Squeezer goes and starts worrying a sheep.
Okay. So he is comparing his dog with Squeezer. And what is he saying? When Squeezer is worrying a sheep, means Squeezer is a kind of dog who hardly can chase or trouble sheep, which is a very innocent, harmless animal. Neither it is quick nor it is strong, sheep. But what about fox? Fox is very fast, clever, swift, and quite stronger than a sheep. So his dog chases a fox, but Squeezer only troubles a sheep. Have you got it? So the limitations of two dogs, the capabilities of two dogs. One can chase fox, whereas another one only plays with sheep.
Okay,
Got
sir.
it?
Thank you, sir.
Anything else from anyone from any lesson of this book? Because today we are going shifting to the other book. So if you have any doubt, any question from any lesson from this book, you can ask now. Anything from anywhere. Okay, good. Very nice. Am I audible to everyone? Or am I audible only to Priyanshi?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
अच्छा अच्छा ठीक है fine. So other book is Footprint Without Feet, right?
Yes, sir.
So let me know which lesson are we supposed to discuss today. Let me know the name of that lesson so that I may find out. Can someone tell?
So first you were first you made the exam. So and third and fourth are deleted. So maybe we have to start fifth chapter.
So
Footprints
what is the
without
name of that?
footprints without feet.
Acha, its name is that only. Okay.
Sir, but we have read all the chapters and we have discussed, means you have given the homework that we have to read and then explain to the class.
Yes, yes, yes,
So in
yes,
that
yes,
activity we have read
yes,
and
yes.
we have explained, but
An
not
activity
discussed
was
with you.
assigned. Yes, yes, yes. So, right. All lessons in a way are done in the class. You all have presented. In fact,
Hmm.
each lesson has been presented by 2 to 3 students, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. In that case, we do not need to go through entire lesson. We do not need to go through every single thing, but we can discuss the lessons. We can discuss the stories, right?
Yes.
If you have doubts or if I have questions or there may be one more thing I may ask you to do. And what is that? Yes, let us make it interesting. Let us make it interesting. Who reminded me that we have done this activity just now? Who was speaking to me?
Sneha.
Neha.
Sneha. Okay, Sneha. Take a pencil and a paper. Turn your camera on if you can.
Well, I am not wearing the
Okay,
uniform.
fine. Do you have a paper and a pencil?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, keep it ready. Let us make it interesting. And how can we make it interesting? Let me think. Who presented first lesson? Name of the students? Lesson 1. When we were doing this activity, who all have presented that? Priyanshi, which is the first
A
lesson?
triumph of surgery.
A triumph of surgery. So let me know the names. Don't write in chat box. Just unmute yourself and tell me.
Yes, sir, Srishti.
Srishti. And who else?
Yeah.
Other than Srishti, who else presented lesson 1? Only Srishti. Okay. Fine. So Sneha, you can write down just initials of Srishti. Srishti is telling Tia and Shreya also did the same, but
No,
Tia
sir.
is there in the class. She is not responding.
I have
No,
not
Shreya
done
sir.
the
also
first
says no.
chapter. I've done second chapter.
Okay. Fine. So at last, I will find out how many are remaining. How many of you have not taken any? That I will find out at last. That's why I'm asking Sneha to write down names. Sneha, have you written lesson 1 and initials of this girl, Srishti?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now lesson 2. Who presented lesson 2?
Tia.
Tia and Abhishek
Shashivam.
Bhargav.
Shashivam.
And Shivam. Okay. There were 3. Sneha, write down these 3 initials. Okay. So before I go ahead with the names with different lessons, let me tell you what I'm thinking. We can do one thing. Those who have presented these lessons can once again sit together online. Sit together online. Like there were 3 children for lesson 2, Tia and Abhishek and Shivam. So you can discuss with one another. You can read the lesson. You can discuss lesson, or you can separately do it. Frame some questions, and questions only multiple choice. Got it? And prepare a very beautiful quiz. A very beautiful, interesting, informative quiz from lesson 1 only, with 15 to 20 questions, 15 to 20 multiple choice questions. Once you do that, once you prepare that, put it into PowerPoint, and I'll give you time. For 15 questions, we need 15 minutes. For 20 questions, we hardly need 20 minutes. Hardly 20 minutes. Okay. So then turn by turn, I'll allow this group, means like we have 3 children for lesson 2. I'll hand over it to them. Somebody is saying something else. Charu did first lesson. Okay. I'll hand over the time. I'll hand over the screen to you. You can present your PowerPoint on the screen and have that quiz. Everybody in the class will be answering. Now we can have that quiz in different ways. Either these children can simply call names and ask, or we can divide entire class, means 2 sections, into 3 groups, and then we can have a quiz. Okay, so in that way we shall have a good revision. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Yes,
Do
sir.
you agree?
Yes, sir.
Nobody agrees.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Only Vasa. Only Vasa.
Sir.
No, no.
Sir.
Even if you don't agree, I'll do that.
Sir, when we have to present,
Huh. Good, good. Very nice. Even if you don't, I have decided. So because we have only Srishti for lesson 1. So Srishti, can we start from lesson 1 from the next period, or shall I give it to
Sir,
these 3?
Charu also, na?
So can Charu and Srishti do that in one day? If not,
Yes, sir.
we shall begin with lesson 2, because we have 3 for lesson 2. Okay, we shall start from lesson 2. Lesson 1 we'll do afterwards.
Okay, sir.
So lesson 2 children, can you prepare it till next class?
yes,
Or do
Yes,
you
sir.
want
sir.
some more time? Do you want some more time?
Sir, we can prepare.
Sir, we can.
I remember Tia has prepared something similar to this once.
Yes,
Sir, she
sir.
had done it for the seventh
The
chapter,
baker from
Glimpses of
Goa.
India.
Yes. I remember. Yes. She prepared a nice quiz. हाँ. याद आ गया. So she is experienced. Now Tia, you can guide these 2 boys, and you 3 can together prepare some questions, and when screen will be given to you, one student will share the screen, and turn by turn, like if you have 15 questions, so 5 questions each. Everyone has to ask. Not only one student will be asking, all 3 will be doing that turn by turn, either one question after one, or maybe 5 together by one student, another 5 questions by another student, like that. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Okay, so prepare for lesson 2. If you prepared till next period, that is day after tomorrow, we shall have it. Or if you couldn't prepare, let me know.
Sir,
Srishti is asking something.
sir, can we prepare? Sir, can we prepare separately? Sir, I am asking Tia.
If you prepare separately, then you mean to say 3 different quizzes.
Yes, sir.
Then it will take a long time, beta. What you can do is prepare separately. Okay. Then what Vaswa has prepared and what Abhishek has prepared, they can send their questions to you, and you can put all questions in one PowerPoint. Okay. So if some questions are repeated, you can drop them. If you feel like, see, as I said, 15 to 20. If 3 of you have together prepared 30-40 questions, so pick 15 or 20 best questions. You can drop the other questions which are not as good as the first 15 questions. You can do that. Okay. So in that
Okay,
way,
sir.
prepare separately, then compile it. Moderation can be done by one student. You can do the moderation, but it should be combined. Are you getting it? Yeah, have you understood better?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we can have 2 in a period, at least 2 quizzes for 2 different lessons. So we shall have for lesson 2 in next class. Now let me see who all presented lesson 3.
Sir, Sachin, me.
Anushka.
Sachin, Anushka. Was there someone else too? Only Sachin and Anushka? Okay. Can you two prepare?
Sir, but this chapter is deleted, right?
Which one, beta?
Yes, sir.
Sir, third chapter of Midnight Visitor.
Okay, 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 okay. So for the time being, you are free. Let us see what can be assigned to you. Okay, then fourth is also deleted. Priyanshi was saying perhaps.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fifth.
No.
By whom was fifth lesson prepared?
Sir, me Anmol.
Anmol and
Sir, me Kartikeya.
Karthik. Good. Do we have a third student also? No. So Anmol and Karthik, prepare a good, beautiful, informative quiz, multiple choice questions for lesson 5. Can you prepare it for the next class? That is day after tomorrow. Or do you want more time?
Sir, some more time.
You want more time. Karthike wants more time. And what about Anmol? He did not say anything.
Yes, sir. सर वी कैन प्रेजेंट इट ऑन द क्लास अ डे आफ्टर मतलब नेक्स्ट क्लास के बाद वाली जो क्लास होगी सर उसमें कर सकते हैं.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Fine. Okay. Okay. So perhaps Sneha has noted these two initials also for lesson 5.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now lesson 6.
Sir, Anjan.
Anjan. Okay. And who else? Sneha, write down Anjan's initials.
Sir, me Eklavya Srivastava.
Eklavya also. AS and ES. Wow. Lesson 7. Now tell quickly.
Sir, me Cheshta.
Sir, me Romeo.
Cheshta, Romia. Lesson 8.
Sir, Sneha.
Sir,
Saurabh.
Saurabh.
Saurabh. Sneha Sharma, Saurabh Sharma. Same initials. Now Sneha will decide what to write. This was lesson 8.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Oh, lesson 9.
Sir, me Shreya Gaigavle.
Okay. Shreya and
Anya Gupta.
Tanya. Lesson 9. Lesson 9 हो गया. Lesson 10.
Sir, it is deleted.
Sir,
Deleted.
10 also deleted. How many are deleted here? So many.
Sir, 3.
Good.
Three.
Three.
Three chapters.
Do we have anything after 10 also?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No, sir.
Only 10 chapters.
Out of 10 we have only 7.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Now, Sneha, can you tell me for which lesson we got only one student?
Sir, for all we have got 2 and for lesson 2 we have got 3.
Okay. That means 7 2s are 14 plus 1 15. 15 students are engaged. है ना?
Yes, sir.
Out of the class of 64, only 15 students are engaged. That means 59 are yet, no, not 59, 49. 49 are yet jobless, are yet unemployed. है ना? 49 बच्चे बेरोजगार हैं. अब इनको रोजगार देने के 2 तरीके हैं. 2 तरीके ये हैं कि because we have 7 lessons, so I give an offer, not an offer. There is a proposal. You know the meaning of proposal. There is a proposal. Any 7 students from the remaining list of students can give their names to assist these children who are preparing quiz from not 7. For one, we already have 3. Okay, so 6. 6 students. 6 students can give their names to help preparing the quiz from these 6 lessons. Who would like to help for lesson 1?
Yes, sir.
Anushka. Write Anushka's initials for lesson 1. Sneha.
Yes, sir.
Done? Chalo. Now, 2, we already have 3 for lesson 2. Then lesson 5. Who would like to help for lesson 5? Ashna. Ashna. Who would like to help for lesson 6? Means join the group for lesson 6, not help. Nupur Soni. Very good. Sneha, are you noting it down?
Yes, sir.
For lesson 6, Nupur Soni. Now for lesson 7,
Sir, me, sir.
Sony.
Sir, me, Mitushi.
I saw Priyanshi's name here first. प्रियांशी. रुक जाओ, अभी बाकी सबको रोजगार दूंगा मैं, चिंता मत करो. कोई बेरोजगार नहीं रहेगा मेरी सरकार में. ठीक है, चिंता मत करो, सबको मिलेगा रोजगार. बहुत एम्प्लॉयमेंट है मेरे पास. सृष्टि, तू क्यों है कर रही? तुझे ऑलरेडी मिल चुका है ना. हाँ. नाउ लेसन 8.
Harshit Jain.
Sir, Shubham.
Harshit Jain.
Just a minute. Let me clarify. For lesson 7, it is Priyanshi. For lesson 8, it is Harshit Jain. For lesson 8, Harshit Jain. For lesson 9, which is deleted. 9 is deleted.
No,
na?
sir, 10th is
No,
deleted.
no,
sir, 10th is deleted.
Okay. So for 9,
Vedika.
Me, Sakshi.
Sachi Jain.
Vedika. For lesson 9, it is Vedika. So now we have 3 children for each lesson. And we shall start this quiz not from the next class, from the class after next. Even lesson 2. Tia, even your lesson. Okay? We shall start it from the class after next class. So that may be Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Right? Friday.
Wednesday.
No, we are not starting from Wednesday. We'll start from Friday.
Okay.
I'm giving you little extra time to prepare so that you can prepare a very good quality quiz. अच्छा, अब कितने लोग बेरोजगार बच गए हैं? बहुत सारे बच गए ना, अभी भी करीब 42 हैं. I just said, Saurabh, 15 to 20 questions. Decide yourselves. Minimum 15, maximum 20. ठीक है? Not less than 15. And try not to go more than 20. But if you find very good questions, if you feel like putting them also, giving space to those questions also, and if the number goes more than 20, I have no problem. My objective is revision. So if you find more than 20 questions which are worth putting in the quiz, which are worth asking, which are very good questions, then you can put them. There is no limit for the higher number. I said 15 to 20, but if you wish to increase, you can go to 25 also. I have no problem. But don't prepare anything less than 15. That won't look good. And all should be only multiple choice. From anywhere in the lesson. You would have seen those questions in the exam. Someone was asking, can you put a photograph and ask a question? Yes, you can. You can put a question, a photograph and ask a question. There is no harm. Okay? You can pick word meanings from the words or the meanings or the explanations given next to the lines in your textbook. Wherever your lesson is, some difficult words are given and their explanations are also given. There are so many things given in the exercise. You can take anything from anywhere. But there should be a very, very good informative quiz. Got it? Now for remaining unemployed children. What is the harm in doing the same thing for all the lessons of the other book? Is there any harm?
No, sir.
No, sir.
We shall have that after we finish this book. After we finish this book. Okay? We shall have that also. So perhaps Neha is tired. Somebody else may note down the initials for the other book. Can someone take initiative?
Sir, I can
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I can.
Sir,
Said
sir, in
I
the
couldn't
group in
understand.
DJ.
I heard two, three sounds. It became a noise instead of sound.
Sir,
I
I can
couldn't.
write.
Sir, Tia.
Sneha can write. No, Sneha, keeping record of two different things will be difficult for you. So I'm saying somebody else may keep a record, because you will have to keep on ticking. You will have to keep on writing down the notes or whatever I say from here. Okay, when the quiz begins. So let somebody else keep a record for the other book. Now let me know who
Sir, I
said.
can.
Sir,
Tia.
may I? Sakshi.
Sakshi Prajapati. Okay, beta. Sakshi, you do that. Sakshi Prajapati will keep a record. Start telling me quickly. Your choice. First three will be allowed. Lesson 1. In the chat section. Just write I will get your names. Okay. Okay. We got 2, Sakshi and Misty. We want one more. Mitushi. Very nice. Sakshi, note it down. Now for lesson 2. Sakshi Kujur. Be quick. Be quick. Okay. Soumya, Simon. No, not Sneha. Soumya and Simon. Sneha, you already have one lesson from that book, na?
Oh, yes, sir. Sorry.
It is not for those who are presenting or who are preparing quiz from the second book. This is for those who did not get any lesson in the second book. So 3 names. Perhaps we got 3 names. Lesson 3.
Sir, in lesson 3, there are 2 parts.
Okay. So for lesson 3, we need 4 children. Okay. 2 each. 2 for a part and 2 for another part. I want 4 names for lesson 3. They will decide who will prepare for first part and who will prepare for second part. I want 4 names for lesson 3. Don't try to hide yourself. At last, those who are still unemployed will get even difficult task. Yash Bhaivar, Jessica Soni. 2 more. Okay, Yash Bhaivar and Jessica Soni will prepare first part of lesson 3. For second part of lesson 3. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Sachin, very good. Sachin, one more. To be a partner with Sachin. अच्छा, this means यहाँ के बाद हमारे पास बच्चे कंप्लीट हो चुके हैं. है अभी एक बचा था, शुभम भार्गव. सचिन एंड शुभम भार्गव. लेसन 4. जहां पे मुझे नेम्स मिलना बंद हो जाएंगे उसके आगे के लेसन्स में पूछना ही बंद कर दूंगा. उसके आगे के लेसन्स में पूछना बंद कर दूंगा। आपने अगर ये सोच रखा है कि हम वो वाले के लिए बोलेंगे और मुझे अगर इसके लिए कोई नहीं मिला तो मैं नेक्स्ट लेसन के लिए पूछूंगा ही नहीं आपसे, मैं वहीं पे स्टॉप कर दूंगा। देन आई गिव एनीबडी। हाँ बेटा, किसने बोला बेटा अभी इसके लिए, लेसन 4 के लिए? महक साहू, पूजिता गुप्ता एंड सची जैन। साक्षी, हैव यू नोटेड?
Yes, sir.
महक साहू, पूजिता गुप्ता एंड सची जैन।
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now lesson 5. Piyush Haldar, Viransh Jain. Lesson 5. One more. Vejanand. Very nice. Now lesson 6. Ishika Joshi. There are 2 Ishikas. So this is Ishika Joshi. Lesson 6. 2 more names needed. Which lesson is this? Is it very difficult? What is the name of this?
The 100.
Huh? 100.
The 100.
It's not difficult at all. It's an interesting one. Ishika Joshi is alone for this lesson. Okay. Which means हमारे पास बच्चे पूरे हो चुके हैं। अब कोई भी बचा नहीं है, सबको मिल चुके हैं लेसन्स। अभी मैं क्रॉस चेक करना शुरू करूं क्या? बेटा फटाफट बता दो, करना सबको है, बचेगा कोई नहीं, सबको काम मिलेगा। I can see 50 in the list today. 50 in the list. Sneha, you have written 21 names.
Yes, sir.
And Sakshi, how many have you written? 5 3s are 15 और एक में हमने 4 लिए थे, तो 16, और इसमें इशिका अकेले ने दिया है तो 17. 17. So 21 plus 17, how much?
38.
अभी 50 में से एक मेरा नाम होगा, उसको कम कर दो तो 49 है ना। इसका मतलब अभी भी 11 चिल्ड्रन हैव नॉट गिवन देयर नेम्स। ये 11 कौन है, मुझे ये देखना है। हु आर दीज 11? चलो मैं इसका स्क्रीनशॉट ले लेता हूँ, जो बच्चे अभी प्रेजेंट हैं उसका, क्योंकि अभी बहुत सारे लोग लेफ्ट कर जाएंगे फटाफट। तो लेट मी टेक अ स्क्रीनशॉट। देखो एक यशीजा मिल गई, देखो शी एग्रीज। अब बचे 10 जिन्होंने कहीं नाम नहीं दिया है। तो लेट मी क्विकली टेक अ स्क्रीनशॉट। श्रमित कहाँ छुपा हुआ था? श्रमित
सर यहीं पे हूँ।
नहीं तो अभी तक तेरी आवाज नहीं सुनाई दी। तूने कोई लेसन लेना नहीं चाहा, वाई? साक्षी, नोट डाउन दीज 3 नेम्स। यशी, श्रमित, हाँ। लेसन 7 अभिषेक जैन, साक्षी धाकड़। One more.
Sir, lesson 7 has 3 parts.
Okay. वो T from Assam वाला।
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Have we prepared quiz for this lesson for
Yes,
only
sir.
already?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
leave it.
sir.
Leave it. Jump to lesson 8. Jump to lesson 8.
It is deleted.
अच्छा. Lesson 9. Lesson 9. These two names who have recently given their names. Just a minute. Sakshi Dhakad and Abhishek Jain. Perhaps these two have given names for lesson 7, which we have.
7.
है ना? So Abhishek and Sakshi, would you like to go for lesson 9? Say yes. They are saying no. Acha, Sakshi said yes, Abhishek said. So lesson 9, Sakshi Dhakad, Abhishek Jain and Mohammad Ishaq Mansoori. Lesson 9. Now lesson 10. Lesson 10. Archit Jain. अर्चित जैन, कार्तिक शर्मा एंड जतिन साहू. युवराज साहू आप अब नहीं आ सकते, अब आप बेरोजगार हैं.
सर एक लेसन बचा है.
अभी बच गया.
11 yes.
अच्छा, वी हैव 11 ऑल्सो. अरे फाइन. 11. लेसन 11. इज दिस लास्ट?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So Trambikesh has given name for lesson 11. Yuvraj, would you like to do lesson 11? Okay. Now anyone else remaining? See, lesson 11 is quite long and quite interesting and quite important. So I would like somebody else also to join this. Even if you have got a lesson somewhere else, some other lesson you are preparing, but if you still are willing to do extra thing, because this will come at last. This book will start only after we finish this, the supplementary reader. Then we'll come to this first flight, and in first flight lesson 11 is the last. So you have more than enough time. Okay. Mitushi wants to join it. Very good. I'm happy. One more person can join. Priyanshi joined. Bas. Priyanshi and Mitushi and Trambakesh, and there is one more. I forgot the name. So 4 children will be preparing a quiz.
Yuvraj.
Haan. Okay, Yuvraj. Got it. I didn't find the name of my scientist. Where is he? Is he not in the class today?
So he's not present.
Ah,
Yes, sir.
No, sir, he is not present.
okay, fine. No problem. So we have spent today's period only in assigning lessons for preparing multiple choice questions in the form of a quiz. Number of questions should be minimum 15 and maximum number, as I feel, is 20 is good. But if you wish to exceed, I have no problem. If you find good questions, good quality question, and it will be completely the decision or the wish of the quiz masters whether they want to have it in a single group or they want to have it in 3 groups. They want to divide the class in 3 groups and do it. So it will be completely the quiz master's decision. First quiz may be done in one way, second quiz may be done in some other way. There is no harm at all. I want an involvement of every single student. That's it. That's it. And out of these 49, 50 students who are present today, I believe almost everybody got. Those who are present today. You all got a task. Okay? Now, once you start preparing, you may have doubts, you may have problems. You can discuss that with me in the next class. If you have anything to ask, you can ask me in the next class. We have one more period. And then from the next period, means period after next, that is Friday. So on Wednesday, we are not doing this quiz. You can ask your doubts, questions, any problem that you have. And if you don't have anything, then I'll start some topic of grammar. Okay? I'll start some topic of grammar.
Sir, what an expression please discuss that.
Grammar, that is grammar itself. In words and expression, there are so many other things too. As last year we have done, there are so many reading tasks. Right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Have you seen this? Have you seen this word and expression part 2?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Not yet. Not yet. Purchased or not?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Get it, beta. Get it. Long ago I told. Long ago I told. Long ago I told you
Okay,
that
sir.
now the name is appearing in the curriculum. Earlier it was not there, so we did not decide, but we knew it will be there. And now it is appearing in the curriculum. I have shared that curriculum also. And that was long ago. So you need to have it better. Because it is there. We cannot avoid getting a book which is prescribed by CBSE. We cannot avoid. We'll do that definitely. Okay?
Okay, sir.
As soon as you get it, let me know. No, not as soon as you get. If I wait for you to get, then probably it will take too long. So let me give you some time. By what time can you have it? Because when I was telling it that day, somebody told me we have already purchased. Somebody was telling me. By what time can you have it? Can you have it in 2 days?
Yes, sir.
Then go and get it. Now
Okay, sir.
shops are also opening. Everything is unlocked. Almost everything is unlocked. Okay. So try and get it. If you couldn't, then fine, we'll wait. We shall wait. But if possible, get it. In that book, you will get at least one or maybe two reading comprehension exercise in each part, in each unit. And last year also, we have done everything. We did not leave anything. Okay, from unit 1 to unit last, whichever 10th or 11th, we did all the reading comprehension exercise. This time also we shall do. Because exercise of reading comprehension is always interesting as well as useful. Okay, so I do not want to leave any of those. I consider that as the most important exercise. It has to be compulsorily done. And here online we shall discuss if we have problems. Okay, and then other questions, many questions are based on the textbooks. In words and expression, many questions are based on what you have read in these two textbooks from your literature reader. Then there are some questions of grammar. So that's a very interesting book. Okay. It is 2:45, enough for today. And in the next class, if you do not have any doubts, I'll wait for first 5 minutes. If you start asking doubt, I can spend entire period. If you don't ask any question in first 5 minutes, I shall start a new topic of grammar. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So let us stop. You can leave the class. If you don't want to ask